Got a cooler back there with our hog we shot last night. Nice hog. This morning we're going to come back down here and see if we got any bait in our trap, because we got a little creek fishing on our mind. See if we can catch catfish.
Good golly Moses. I believe you got some perch in there, didn't you?
Yeah, one of the most enjoying things I do is fish small rivers and creeks. We're down in this little creek bottom this morning. I got my Lucky Troy Landy shirt on. We're going to be fishing for some catfish, jaspergoo, drum, and we can get down through all this brush. We're going to find some nice holes of water. A lot of places on this bank there, it's cut back up under the banks, and catfish hide in there, and we can find a deep place around one of these cut banks. We're sure to get a bite or two. Well, we finally found a little bit of water. Looks like it might have some depth to it, so we're going to use some cut bait and some worms and see if we can't.
They hang you up on that stick?
Small channel cat.
Well, you got the first fish anyway. Yeah, it looks like a little cat maybe got on there. Yeah, a little channel cat. Well, better set my drag a little tighter. Get him on up here. All right, I got one too. Looks like John's got another one.
I think it's about 3 or 4 pounds.
Yeah, that's a pretty nice little old fish. Is that a channel cat?
It is. I thought it might have been a blue there for a minute.
Creek fishing. I believe it's customary to have a little forked stick, ain't it? That looks like it ought to do the trick. Oh yeah, I believe you got you one.
Nice fish.
Channel cat?
Yeah. That's a nice fish.
All right.
They're around here.
Let's put him on the stringer.
You know, caught him in the lip.
Oh, I'm getting a bite too. Yeah, I think another channel. Yep. Channel cat.
Yeah, something ain't right. It ain't recorded. Yeah, it is.
All right, that's another good one.
Whoa!
Whoa! Might have to double up our stringer on this one.
Yeah.
Oh! Still a little green. Well, I'm getting another bite. I thought it might be a gar, but it may be a cat. Pull a little drag, so not too shabby. Of course, I don't have my drag set too hard. It's just a little cat. Another, I think it's a channel. Yep, another channel cat. Oh yeah, that's a pretty one. Now that had a circle hook on there. I don't know how he got it down in his mouth so good. Got another one. Another one for the stringer.
All right. Well, we had a pretty good little morning. We didn't get those flatheads we thought, and maybe some other fish, but the channel cats were biting pretty decently. We got 7 or 8 fish here, and they're pretty darn heavy. And they bit real good for just 30 minutes or so. It was worth a trip. Use worms, cut bait. If they're hungry, they'll bite.